This is the damage from Hurricane Harvey. It's a 100% washout. This was my 65-inch Samsung TV, and it is now gone. I was able to save one or two of my figures, but that's about it. That's my desk in the corner there, my computer. It's gone. My external hard drive is gone. Everything I've downloaded and worked on for years is gone. Oh, my flashlight works. Yay, I saved it. Oh my God. My Kotobukiya Darth Vader, gone. Here's the kitchen. It must have been some hellacious water to move a refrigerator. I have lost everything. Everything. 30 years of DVDs and Blu-rays gone. It's not even worth trying to salvage anything. I can't believe this. Robbie the Robot's a loss. Oh my God, 30 years gone. 30 years of collectibles and books, and I was able to save some magazines, but that's it. This is what it looks like after a hurricane decides to ruin your life. My army uniform, screwed. Clothes are screwed. I lost my lightsabers. They're gone. Can't salvage them. This is it. All my army paperwork has been destroyed. Can't salvage anything out of it. My Story of Star Wars album is gone. All those collectible albums are gone. My laser discs are gone. Well, the wet weather parka made it, I guess. What's under here? Well, my Army Awards made it. That's, I guess, good. But that's it. 30 years of my life, collectibles, movies, figures, all gone within a 24-hour period. I don't know. I'll never recover from this, but it's nature. Nature sucks. So, thanks for watching.